Here's where I'm saying once weight's put on it, see how that crack opens up right through here and underneath here. There's no bracing. See? I injected foam up underneath the bottom of the tub, filled those holes in, put short strand glass fiberglass resin across the tub all the way up to the center. The crack, as you know, I know you've seen that little part of the crack, but it actually Z'd back over almost past the 3/4 mark. So it was almost the entire floor of the tub. And the outside wall also was refinished.